Hi and welcome to Ronn's Garage. Today we will not working with the roof, but we will be working with the port. And here I have my new port, and I have prepared with some I don't even know what that's named, but you all know what it is, so we can reach the upside of the wall, because this port will be bigger than the old one. And I'll see if I can film some. Just waiting for my father, who will help me. So let's see if we can install a port. So the right side is done, and we got the old man on the, whatever it's called. Let's see if we can put up the motor. So I just got the information that it probably is called a platform. So, but yeah, the motor is up. We'll drill a hole for that wire, so we can put the electric stuff on the inside, and we will put this guide on the left, and there should be some screws on the bottom there also. So yeah. So the final moment, trying to put the port into the axle on the motor. So yeah, now we have rolled it entirely in, and then behind that wheel, and the port is going down in its barriers. Guide. Thank you. So we should have a lock here, or cover, and then of course we need to get rid of the old port and the wall behind. But yeah, kind of a good way of putting a port, I would say. So here we have the old port closed, and up there we have the new port almost open. And why haven't I finished it? It's simply that I need to connect the wires on the inside, and the stamina is gone for today. So once I have the electrics connected, I can run that port up and down. I will have to remove the lid so I can adjust the bottom and the upper level before it's it's done, and that's pretty much what needs to be done. But that will be another day. So today I will close this episode off with a zoom in of my new port. Please like and subscribe.